Thanks for coming today and clicking on Food Blog in a Box. We have helped thousands of bloggers over the last 5 years build their blog, grow their blog, create a business. But when I talk to new bloggers, their biggest concern is the technology. They're just afraid of it. And so I got together with some professional bloggers and some friends, technicians, and we built something called Food Blog in a Box. And basically what it is, it's a fully functioning blog that we deliver to you. You give us a name and maybe an image or two, we'll deliver to you a full blog. It'll have ads on it, it'll have pictures on it, it'll have links on it, it'll have everything except for the recipes. And we'll give you a list of 100 recipes you can build if you want to, but you probably have your own list of recipes that your family has shared for years that just need to get out there so other people can see it. What we're going to do is give you an opportunity to build your own business working from home. All you do is cook food, take pictures of it, and post it. And you get to eat all the inventory. It's really quite a great job. We try to make it as simple as possible. We include with this package over 100 training videos. Plus, we're not just going to leave you there. We're going to stick with you for the first 3 months and help you along. We're going to give you that jump start to get your food blog going. We have some secret weapons to help food bloggers grow their blog really fast. One of them is My Recipe Magic. It's a place that drives traffic to food bloggers at no cost. Unlike Pinterest and Facebook that charge you money for people to see your recipes, it's free. And we have our super tool called CleanClicks that drives traffic to your site and pays you money to do it. So we have all the tools you'll need to get your food blog going. We deliver to you that fully functioning blog, plus the training. We give you free hosting. We give you an SSL, so it's an HTTPS, so it's secure. That's what that means. We're going to host it for you. We're going to give you social media management. We'll set up your Pinterest and your Twitter. We'll set up all these things for you and just give you instructions on how to use them. And then for 3 months, we'll start running them for you and show you what we're doing. Well, that's not all. We're going to also give you a 60-day membership in an email tool. We're going to give you 30 days in a scheduler for all of your social media that's free. We're going to give you lifetime membership in the My Recipe Magic Academy, which is the training videos. And we're adding to those videos all the time. Plus, we're going to give you access to a phenomenal tool called the Discovery Tool, something that's really unheard of. It allows you to access social media sites. And then we're going to hold your hand for 3 months. Make sure you're up and going. Make sure this is working. This is an opportunity you don't want to pass up. It really is the ideal work from home business. Think about it. It's a small investment financially. You're quick to revenues. I mean, you'll have money. You'll be earning money within the first few days. It will gradually grow, but you'll have money. You'll be able to see the money coming in. It's a proven model. You work from home. You have your own schedule. You can work on whatever hours you want. There's no special equipment other than maybe a cell phone and a frying pan. Plus, you're going to get a great support system. We're in a strong and growing economy and a strong industry that we can use. Plus, the upside to this is huge. We've seen blogs and helped blogs grow to even tens of thousands of dollars a month. All it takes is some effort, because we're going to give you all the tools. Click on the link in the description down below to Food Blog in a Box. Sign up. Let's get started. Let's get you going on your wonderful adventure with a fully functioning blog delivered to you in no time at all.
A new revenue generating blog can cost between $2,000 up to $10,000, but you can own your own customized revenue generating blog, plus everything you need to succeed, for the amazing price of only $495 while our supplies last. Don't hesitate. Click on the links below this video and start living your dream today.